Yep. Alright. I am way fucking excited. It's like Christmas. This is what you get for 600 bucks. This typically comes free when you buy paint. These are strainers. I got a ton of them up there I bought from Amazon, so I didn't really need them, but, you know, oh well. Stir sticks out the wazoo. Oops. Again, didn't need these either because I bought a shit ton from Amazon over Christmas. That was my Christmas present to myself, so I'll just... let's see. Put them with the rest of them. I've got some yellow masking tape. I could use that for all kinds of stuff. I've got mid-temp activator. I've actually got more of this up in my little thing up there. I didn't realize I had, but oh well. And I've got some tack cloth. I bought some razor blades. There we go. I bought some razor blades. What is this? There's my receipt. I think this is the reducer. Yeah. It's good stuff. I've used this before. This is a really easy product to work with. DuPont. And, well, it's Exalted now. DuPont sold the recipe to somebody else. And this is my clear coat. I've had very good luck with this. I've done a bunch of cars, and I've had no issues with yellowing, no issues with longevity. Good hard stuff. Another what they call it, tech thing. And there's something out of here that's missing. What is it? Oh yeah, my paint. All right, let's put this away. You ready for it? It's just, oh my god, I just about wept. It was so beautiful. There it is. Yep. There is code 90 Elkhart Blue. It's a GM color. Actually, it's more than just GM. Because the same recipe was showing up on some other stuff I was looking at. So I've already pre-opened it. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we'll just do a little bit of stir. This stuff has a little bit of flake, as you can see. Oh, God, it even smells like Christmas. There is something I really, really like about this stuff. So you can see the solids run down, the flake. So it's going to be incumbent upon me to keep my gun stirred as I spray, or agitated, because this stuff is quickly beginning to come down. I don't know if you can see it here or not. You can see some amount of flake, more and more and more and more and more, and down there. So temperature today, God, this is beautiful. This is gonna look stunning on that MG. I was so freaking tempted to paint something, just the back of something, the back of a door or a hood or a trunk or something, just to see how it laid down. Oh my goodness. It just makes me happy that I can appreciate such beautiful things like this. Yep. And let me show you why I can't. There's temperature in my garage. Just shy of 60 degrees. It's what, 57, 56, something thereabouts, behind the plastic there. Best results are at 70 degrees. It's probably 48 outside. There's my little space heater. It's keep my garage comfortable. You know, I'm comfortable at low temperatures, but you know, I'm German and got the padding to prove it on my midsection. Oh, look at that. Gotta fix that. It cracked. Oh well, let it. So let's put this back. Oh my god. This is low VOC, by the way. The VOC stuff is illegal where I live. VOC is volatile organic compounds, which eat something, destroy something, hurt something to Mother Nature or something. And as such, is not something I can buy. Where did I put that stick? Not something I can buy easily or without permission or having to go into Virginia, and I don't want to do that. There we go. Yeah, good enough. So, a good Friday night to me equals a little bit of brandy and some car work. I may make this a great Friday with a little bit more brandy and some awesome fucking paint work. Because look at this stuff. It's beautiful. And it's already tacking up. Yeah, a little bit. I don't know. This is gonna... Look at that. It's got some pearl in it. Oh. Oh, dear Jesus. This is... I'm just... Oh. Oh.